Battle of I-75 also carried out in the pool today. Toledo hosting BG, final dual meet of the season. Falcons beating UT 3 weeks ago. 200 freestyle, Toledo's Lauren Kilgore takes first place, just under a minute 54 seconds. Falcons' Taylor Harris winning both the 100 and 200 breaststroke, was also on the winning relay team. And Max Swimmer of the Week, Daisy Platts, another strong outing as she wins the 100 backstroke, 200 IM, and was on 2 winning relay teams as well. BG wins big. Next up, MAC Championships, which Bowling Green will host beginning on Wednesday, February 23rd.
It was a really good meet to end on, and Toledo's a really great rival to have, so it was a nice way to finish before our big end of season meet. So we've been training pretty hard and we're kind of slowing it down a little bit, so it's just kind of to see where we're at. We didn't really expect big times, just kind of seeing how our bodies felt and what's gonna happen leading into Max.
Let's welcome in Greg Franke and Brandon Lowe.
Toledo and Bowling Green meeting in the pool here a couple of weeks before the MAC Championships at Bowling Green. Bowling Green obviously wanting to perform well in front of their home fans, and I think they took a step in that direction, showing that they're really peaking for their performance upcoming in that MAC Championship meet.
Yeah, the second time these two teams have swam against each other in just a couple of weeks, advancing, as you mentioned, into that MAC Championship at Bowling Green. So local really for both these teams. They don't really have to travel very far. The MAC Championship is, of course, a 4-day event, but some really strong swims here building into that championship meet.
In particular, Daisy Platts, one of the outstanding swimmers, not just on this team, but in the history of the program, according to Coach Ricky Perkins. And she didn't even participate in the 200 backstroke today, which is a very strong event for her, but nevertheless really performed well in the individual and in the relay she performed in.
Yeah, we saw her take that 100 backstroke that she's so good at, the Bowling Green record holder. We saw her excel in that, and then a chance today for us to see her in one of her off events, the 200 IM, and she looked pretty good in that as well.
Both of these teams should be competing probably for some of the higher middle placings. Akron is a top 25 program. Miami and Ohio are also very strong. Buffalo very strong in the MAC, but these teams feel like they can be there. And if they outdo themselves, who knows what they could accomplish.
Exactly, and especially for Bowling Green, getting a chance to host once again, first time since I believe 2016 since they've got to have the event at Cooper Pool. Definitely a different sort of experience to have it at home.
And Bowling Green, a good warm-up for that with a victory over Toledo today.